Third trick of the series, the ollie blunt. Probably one of the more mentally frustrating tricks I think there is to learn. Real similar to a pivot fakie as far as like the entry goes. Ollie blunt, coming up, resting your tail in, almost like you're gonna go up and it's like being in a drop-in position again. You don't want to go too far down because, and believe me, it's happened to many people. It's happened to me a lot too. You go up and you put the board too flat and then it just loops out and you fall backwards. You do like a backflip into the ramp. It's not a good thing. I don't want to see anyone get hurt, so let's do this right from the beginning. When you go for an ollie blunt, it's good to just put your board up in a more vertical position with a little bit of, you know, you don't want your tail flat on the tranny because then you can't get a good snap out of it. You got to rock it a little bit because when you come out of an ollie blunt, it's like a fakie ollie. You really actually ollie into the ramp. It's not like a pivot fakie where you can kind of just barely pop it and it kind of just releases on its own. You're actually locked over the coping. So the only way you're going to get this thing is you got to come up, put the board in, set the board up here, let it kind of start to rock down, and then give it a nice ollie, just like a normal flat grown ollie, back into the ramp. Keeping your eye on the front wheels the whole time is the key, because if you don't, like I said, if you're not looking and you hang up, it hurts to come down with, because an ollie blunt, you're putting a lot of momentum into the rollaway, and if you lock your front truck, you just put all your weight of your body into the flat of the ramp, and it sucks. You also keep your shoulders square with your lower body. There's none of this or this going on. You roll up, set your board up there, and you do like a fakie ollie in. It's a hard one. I think it's a very important trick in skateboarding, and it's important on street, vert, mini ramp, everything. The blunt.